To clean or replace the air filter on your Pro XD, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat level surface and ensure it is in park. Next, pull up on the cargo box latch and pivot the box up. Before continuing, clean the area around the air box with a clean, dry cloth. Next, release the two airbox cover latches and pull outward on the two tabs to remove the cover. Then twist and pull the air filter to remove from the air box. Inspect the filter for excessive debris or damage and replace if necessary. Before continuing, clean the intake boot and airbox thoroughly with a clean, dry cloth. Also, ensure the airbox cover is clean before reinstalling. Next, reinstall the air filter and ensure it is fully seated. Then reinstall the airbox cover, ensuring the alignment mark is facing upward and the two tabs are aligned and secured. After this, securely clip the two airbox latches. Finally, tilt the cargo box down and ensure it is properly latched. For more information, see your authorized Pro XD dealer or visit Polaris.com.